Just chicken, 2 potatoes, and 1 onion. You will love to prepare it for your lunch. To begin, I'm going to cut 1 chicken breast fillet into small pieces. Then I'm going to shred this chicken with the help of a knife. Tell me in the comments where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Now I'm going to grate 2 potatoes. Then I will remove the excess water. Next, I will chop half an onion. After that, I will put the chicken in a bowl. I will also put the onion, the potatoes, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of salt, black pepper to taste, and mix well. If you are enjoying this recipe, stay here until the end to see the list of all the ingredients. To continue our recipe, in a frying pan, add olive oil, and I'm going to spread it with the help of a brush. Then I'm going to put the mixture to fry. And if you've watched this video so far, it's a sign that you're enjoying our recipe. So write down below, I love chicken. When one side is ready, I will turn it over to fry the other side. Guys, this chicken is very easy to make and is very delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Now I'm going to repeat this process with all of the mixture. Be sure to make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. And our recipe is ready. Now you just have to enjoy it. I really hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching this. See you in the next video. Bye.